You ready for this? Did I do it? Oh yeah.
Speed is needed for belches.
Whoa.
On. I feel another one coming on. Get it. The saltier the...
Please. Oh my God.
You know, bleach makes you burp more than ever.
Yeah, it makes you die.
But it also makes you burp real loud. He drank bleach.
Someone burp, other than me.
What are the old days?
Oh, my throat's starting to hurt. Holy shit. I think I'm sick now. I have a stuffy nose.
It's probably not good for you to do that so much.
Is anyone else gonna go up? It's
Alright guys, I will now be singing the French national anthem. Allons enfants patrie, il y a le jour de gloire est arrivé. Ils viennent jusque dans vos bras, et vos fils et vos...
kick him off.
Vos mains, vos bataillons, marchons.
What do you call a guy that relieves gas from his stomach?
That's not a burp, you fucking idiot.
Hey guys, I just want to let you know that I'm gay.
Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I just puked a little bit too. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I puked up in my mouth 3 times now. Bro, what juice are you drinking?
What did the ocean say to the shore?
Stop trying! Why are you actually making jokes as a burping contest? Shut the fuck up!
Nothing, it just waved.
Get rid of that guy right there. I'm looking right at him. Get rid of him. Get rid of him.
Hey guys, I don't have to belch, but just take a moment to appreciate what you have in life, because you never know when it's going to be taken away. Like what happened in Houston. In Houston, Hurricane Harvey struck them, and they were unable to get water, and they still can't. So I don't think that it's fair that we're sitting here on our computers when we can go out there and feed the homeless. Come on, cheer with me. Feed the homeless. Feed the homeless. Feed the homeless. Feed the homeless. Alright, good night everybody. Hey Lois, remember that time there was a burping contest? And it wasn't very good?
No.
Me neither.
Fucking Christ, how did you get that good? What the fuck?
Sweet spots.
Be here all night.
Oh!
Take your shirt off!
Kids got a little complicated.
Yes, you can. He's taking us down one by one.
Don't think
Oh, no, I'm still here. I'm gonna stay here and fight for what I look for.
Can't kick me. Come on. I'll give you money if I stay. Come on, man. Come on, don't kick me. I'm the last one. Come on, please.